In this video we are going to discuss the secret of mixing lemon with olive oil. If you want to stay healthy and improve the quality of your life, you should begin by looking after yourself on the inside and out. Starting your day off right will benefit your mental and physical wellness. A potent combination of olive oil and lemon, combined with lukewarm water, will strengthen your immune system and purify your body, making it more resistant to infections and disorders. Furthermore, the flavor is incredible. Benefits. When you combine the nutritional benefits of extra virgin olive oil with the health benefits of fresh lemon, you get a fantastic nutrient-dense concoction. The combination of these two beautiful elements provides several health and wellness benefits. The following are a few of the most noteworthy. 1. Detoxification. When fresh lemon juice is added to olive oil, the effect is much more dramatic. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, this natural antioxidant helps the liver operate correctly and removes toxins from the body. 2. Boosts your immune system. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice mixed with extra virgin olive oil boosts your daily vitamin C intake, an antioxidant component that not only helps the immune system function properly, but also helps the body maintain a healthy pH balance and protects you from colds and flu. 3. Promotes digestion. Extra virgin olive oil's laxative properties, along with lemon's capacity to deflate the stomach, result in a significant improvement in food digestion. As a result, nutrition absorption is improved and bloating is reduced. 4. Gives you energy. Olive oil supplies energy to the body while also supplying it with small amounts of vitamins E and K on a regular basis. The combination of olive oil and lemon water oxygenates and energizes the body, providing an excellent start to the day. 5. Keeps blood pressure under control. The antioxidants and minerals found in the ingredients of this natural medicine can be quite beneficial to people who suffer from high blood pressure. It helps you control your blood pressure and improves your heart rhythm if you drink it first thing in the morning. 6. Reduces cholesterol levels. Olive oil, which is rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, aids in the reduction of bad cholesterol, LDL, increases blood circulation, and keeps veins and arteries healthy. Recipe. Let's see how you can make it. Ingredients. 200 milliliters of lukewarm water. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Juice 1/2 lemon. Steps. Mix all the ingredients together and drink on an empty stomach every morning 30 minutes before breakfast. As we mentioned before, practicing this simple morning ritual can do wonders to your overall health and fitness. We recommend using only high-quality products both for the extra virgin olive oil and the lemons. A great way to do that is by adopting your own olive tree from a small island in Greece and enjoy each morning the amazing extra virgin olive oil it will give you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.